Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you hide emu messages from emu app. You can see here on my emu, if someone messages me on emu, I will get message, but problem is sometimes I or we don't want to show the message to someone because there can be private message. So for this reason, in this video I will show you how can you hide your emu messages from emu. So before starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For hiding your emu messages from emu, you have to open first your Play Store and you have to search here for emu. You can see here, you have to search on it and then you have to open it. After opening, you have to select whom you want to hide. Let's take, I want to hide this my another account, so I want to hide this number. So for hiding, you have to click here your profile. You can see here profile option, you have to simply click here, and then from profile you can see here option security and privacy. You have to click here simply security and privacy, and after clicking here security and privacy, you can see here option invisible feeds. You have to simply click here invisible feeds, and then you have to click here add invisible feeds, and then from here you have to select whom you want to invisible. You can invisible at a time more than one. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 how many you want to invisible. You can invisible from here. Then if they send you message in your chat list, the message will not come. So I am simply searching here my another ID. You can see here my another ID. I'm simply click on it, and then you have to click here add or done. Then you can see here your chat list is invisible here, and then you can see here this added. So if the person send you message, then the message will not come here in your chat list. But for seeing what message he send you, you have to go here. You can see here chat list or profile icon, then you have to click here security and privacy, and then you have to click here invisible, and then you have to click here on profile, and from here you can send message by invisible way. And if he sent or she sent you message, then you can find here, but the message will not go in your chat list. You can see here there have no message on chat list. So that's how you can hide your emu message from your chat list. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment, and also I provide my Facebook link in the description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.